Hello my people, did you know you can win bets using Sofascore app? If not, then this video is for you. In this particular video, I'm going to show you how you can win bet using Sofascore prediction. Let's get into the video. But before that, make sure you click on the like button, you subscribe the video, you share and comment your thoughts, whatever you are thinking about the video, or either question, suggestions in the comment section. Let's go. Let me use England teams. Man U against Burnley. Right now, Sofascore has updated their app, so there is AI insights. I will make a video about this one in my next video, but let's go to what I'm about to show you today. Let's go to matches. The matches, let's see head-to-head strikes. Sofascore predicted Man United versus Burnley to play under 2.5 goals, but don't go for this one. Let's see under 4.5 card and over 10.5 corners. So between these two, under 4.5 cards and over 10.5 corners, you can predict one. And also, Sofascore gave Man United yellow sign or yellow color, indicating that Man United is going to win, or Man United is on fire. They must win this game, or they should win this game. So this is how Sofascore can help you win bets, or you can use Sofascore to just make your predictions. Let's go into different game. I said I will make a video about Sofascore AI insights in my next video, so don't forget to subscribe. Let's go to matches. In the matches, you see Sofascore gave Sunderland yellow color, indicating that Sunderland can win this game. But wait, there is one problem. You know, Sunderland is not a big team like that, and they are just coming from championship. I mean, they've just been promoted. Let's look at team strikes under 2.5. No, let's go to how do we call it? Yeah, but what you can do here is you can give Sunderland home team to score 1 goal. Since Sunderland is coming from promotion, means Sunderland has a goal in this particular match. Let me use Tottenham against Bournemouth or Bournemouth. Matches. Under matches, you scroll down. Here there is no yellow color indicating the team strength, or this means these teams they can play draw, or these teams Sofascore doesn't have a specific favorite team to win this particular game. Using this tactics or this strategy I'm teaching you right now. So head-to-head strike, no clean sheet for Tottenham. This means Bournemouth can score a goal or will score a goal. Okay, that's that for this one. Let's go to Newcastle Leeds United. Here matches, scroll down, head-to-head strikes, no loses for Newcastle, both teams to score and over 10.5 corners. By look, here is 5 out of 7, 6 out of 8, so don't choose any of these. Let's go see something here. Sofascore gave Newcastle United yellow sign or yellow color, indicating that Newcastle United should win this game or must win this game. Let's read this. When the odds are 2.15, the expected chance of winning is 47%, but Newcastle United actually wins 52% of the time with these odds. What does it mean? It means Newcastle will win this game. So this is how I predict my game, and most of my games I won come from this Sofascore prediction. So guys, that is it for today. In my next video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get some free odds predicted by Sofascore already. When you come to Sofascore, just go to dropping odds. I will do a review under this one too, show you the strategy in my next video. So make sure you subscribe, you like the video, share and comment. See you in my next video. Goodbye.